Yo, so what up guys? I'm actually in Florida right now. I'm at the beach. And I wanted to do some magic on the beach, quarantine away from people, kind of get some distance. I wasn't gonna do direct magic like I wanted to. I guess once all this quarantine stuff, you know, smooths out and we won't get as sick from the COVID and stuff, we can go on the streets and do some magic and do the stuff I love. But besides that, here's a little small clip of me doing some magic for my fiance and my family. Appreciate it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shuffle the deck. Okay? And what I want you to do is I want you to think of a number. Think of a number, any number in the deck.
In the deck?
Yeah, any number, up to 1 to 52.
50.
1 to 52.
13.
13. Just grab a card. Grab anyone you want.
My dad. No,
Grab it.
Dad.
Grab it. Grab it. Perfect. Look at it. Yeah, look at it. Show the camera. Put it right here back when you're done. Got it? Perfect. Now I want you to follow my steps, okay? First off, square it up, just like that. Then, step 2, I'll cut it. Step 3, complete the cut, just like that.
Okay.
Now I want you to do it. You got to square it up.
Square it.
Square it up. Cut the deck. Complete the cut. Complete the cut. What I want you to do is I want you to deal down 13 cards, because that was the number you thought of. The 13th card is your card.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
This is 13.
13th card. What is it?
Jack of Diamonds.
What is it called? Jack of Diamonds.
That's pretty cool.
Thank you. That's a trick that I've been working on and I created myself. Alright, so me and my fiance Ashlyn, just in a little bit, once it starts to darken a little bit, probably about an hour, what we're going to do is we're going to paint with light. Basically what you do is you get a whisk, or you can do it with like glow sticks, or you can do it with sparklers or something. We actually spell our names with the sparklers. Pictures I'm gonna put real quick. There's gonna be like circles and stuff. And basically what we did is we got a dog leash, we got a whisk, like a cooking whisk, and then you get steel wool and you put it inside the whisk, you light it on fire, and you basically just spin it. And my camera, my new Canon EOS M50 camera that I love so much, basically what it does is it captures light. And here is a few photos right here. The beaches are now getting ready for Tropical Storm Cristobal, and it is going to be making landfall about 50 miles down that way towards New Orleans, maybe a little bit more than 50 miles. I'm not too good. with geography, but it will be going that way, landfall, and we're gonna get like the side of it, and they are preparing for it. They have pretty much got all of the beach chairs and stuff up. I guess getting ready for high tide, or they are getting ready for any type of storm surge that they might be receiving. It will be making landfall tomorrow, I believe. But yeah, it's actually double red right now, which means you cannot get in there. You cannot get in.